Hello and welcome back to Live Happy Locks. I am your host, Tori Franklin. The beginning of this video is how I ended up retwisting my own hair. Side. I am 5 weeks into my locks and I wanted to get my first retwist. I went to this loctician, a woman who did my hair twice in my last set. I get there and she's sick, coughing. No, ma'am, no. Hands hold energy, hair holds energy. What you trying to put in my head? Not that. So now I am going to go back home and do my own retwist. You know, this is the stuff that deciding to do this set on my own is supposed to be teaching me that I have the capability, I am competent in doing my own, and it's gonna look great. It's a bumpy road, literally and figuratively. Let's do it. These 3 ingredients that I'm going to use to retwist my hair. This is my moisturizing concoction, my oil mixture, and just a very little bit of gel. Not much. And the goal is to only retwist the roots of my hair. I do not want to do palm rolling or anything like that. 1, I like the frizziness, and 2, I want these bad boys to be thickums. One of the most important things when retwisting your own hair is to make sure your hair is wet or damp. You do not want to be splitting or popping or parting your locks on a dry head. I'm going to show you the entire bottom row, all 4 locks that I have down there, and then move around the head as we continue. I love that I'm starting to find locks that are budding. It was at this moment that I realized that not every part is going to be perfect, and some of them are going to look like puzzle pieces.
But it is not really a bossa nova. Because this is a kind of Latin rhythm.
So that's the first row. I'm just going to start moving around the rest of the head now. This was one of the first big lock pops that I had to do. As you can see, it took me a couple tries to actually get myself to do it because it was just so strong. This is Little Bird that I talked about in my last video. It's just a piece that didn't make it into a lock when I first started, and I'm just letting it do its own thing. Boy, oh boy, this took me all day. This took me all day. This is why I only wanted a certain amount of locks and I didn't want a million, because boy, oh boy, did this take me all day. But still got the clips in. I paid attention to some parts really closely and some I did not. Because boy, oh boy, have I been doing this all day. Hi ho, Sally, let's go. Okay, so I've taken out what I think I'm gonna use. So I want to make sure that I'm keeping them twisted in the direction that I have twisted them, because I don't want to unravel them while putting them up into this ponytail. All right, I think I got everything. Want to keep it nice and tight. And that's really just a simple ponytail that I'm going to make into a cute bun. So I have one ponytail just to make it all tight so the retwist is nice. I have this other ponytail that I'm going to use. I'm going to take the rest of this, do like a 2-strand with all of these hairs in it, and before I put it all in, make sure I do a little more spray. I want to keep these bad boys moisturized and old. Moisturized and old. So I twisted it together, wrapping it around like so. Put one ponytail like that, and boom. I still have the clips in the rest of my head, as you can see. I'll take those out in a second, but it's cute. And that's what it is. I did it. I was so unsure, but I made it happen. And I came out with a cute style and some self-confidence. Yay! So I hope you enjoyed, learned something, or got some confidence in yourself to go out and do it too. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come back soon. Live happy.